Okay class. Today we're going to take a quiz on Disneyland. And it's going to be a fun one. Not Jack loves Disneyland. Did you just burp?
Jessie did miss at Siri. I'm sorry.
Not Jack loves Disneyland. It's very rude to burp in class. And burping is not allowed in class. That's it. Go to Principal Chris's office right now.
So not Jack loves Disneyland. Why are you in my office?
I burped in miss at Siri classroom.
That's it. You're expelled. Go home now.
Not Jack loves Disneyland. How dare you burp in class? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded. Go to your room now.
Wah,